Hey guys and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For tonight's vlog, I will be sharing with you all my civil service journey. Just a quick disclaimer guys, lahat ng sasabihin ko are based on my experiences only. I will be sharing with you the process, the tips and techniques, and some important reminders before, during, and after mag-take ng civil service exam. First thing that we will talk about is the process. To be honest guys, madali lang yung process. Step 1, mag-a-apply ka lang via online. Meron silang website, doon ka mag-fill out ng form. Need mo lang i-fill in yung details na hinihingi from you. Pinaka-importante doon is yung appointment date mo. Nag-apply kasi ako noon last May 14. Yung appointment date ko was May 15. Yun yung pinili ko kasi pagkakaalala ko din guys is kung ano yung preferred date mo and time, pwede mo yun piliin doon. Paunahan kasi doon eh. So halimbawa, ubos na yung slot for that week. For next week ka na. Which is May 15 nga yung appointment ko, diba? So nagpunta kami doon, nag-file ako, dala ko yung mga requirements ko. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung mga requirements na dalahin. Kung ano yung pinasa mo online, yun din yung ipapasa mo na hard copy. Dumating kami around 12 noon or mga 1 p.m. Basta parang after lunch. Bibigyan ka muna ng paper. Doon nag-i-indicate if regular ka or priority. Wala masyadong tao. So, inuna naman ako. Tapos, pinasa ko na yung requirements dun sa window. After noon, tatawagan ka nila para magbayad ka ng 500 pesos. Guys, take note, 500 pesos lang yung pag-take ng civil service exam. Tapos, may binigay lang din na paper just for you to check the documents if tama ba yung nakalagay doon or nakasulat. PWD nga ako. May lumabas na staff. He asked me regarding sa testing area and pag priority ka, ground floor or first floor kayo, ipopwesto. Actually, ang bilis lang talaga. Lalo na kapag prio ka. Kasi nga ako, again, PWD ako. So, nasa prio lane ako. Also, to tell you guys, before din ako umuwi ng Pinas, pinag-iisipan ko na mag-take talaga ng civil service exam. Kasi I know, pag uwi ko ng Pinas, wala akong trabaho. My mom, she actually talked to me. She told me na, why not mag-take ka ng civil service exam? So sabi ko, sige, why not? I-try ko lang yung luck ko, diba? Para at least din, kung halimbawa hindi ako makahanap ng work, edi at least makatry ako mag-work sa government. Nagre-research na rin ako nung time na yon. Actually, nag-scroll ako sa TikTok. Tapos, I saw this teacher. Shoutout ko dito si Sir Adam. Lagay ko na lang din dito yung name ng FB group wherein nakita ko siya sa TikTok while I'm scrolling. Sino yung gustong sumali sa group? Tapos, i-review niya kami. Basically, free yun. So, dun sa post niya, guys, may kailangan kang answeran na Google form. Ginawa ko, clinic ko yung Google form na yon. Tapos, fill in lang din ako ng mga details na needed. Minimake sure niya na tama talaga or i-double, triple check mo yung mga information na nilagay mo doon sa Google form para sure ball na makakapasok ka sa FB group. Sa case ko, tama naman yung nilagay ko ng mga information about myself. After nun, pinasok niya ako sa FB group. The next day, meron siyang ginawang list kung saan mga pinag-aaralan. Like for example, for this week, math. Tapos the next weeks naman, ibang subjects na. Ang maganda naman doon kasi naka-screen record siya. So, perfect yan, most especially sa mga may work na hindi makakapasok sa FB Live. Nagla-live siya sa TikTok, sa YouTube, and even sa FB. May mga pre-test, post-test, every Wednesday, Friday, depende rin sa availability niya. Pag Saturday tsaka Sunday, mas nag-focus siya na mas maraming ma-review or matakal. Ipakita ko na lang dito din yung mga videos na nagre-review ako. Today is May 30. It's Friday. It's already 4:11 p.m. And as you can see, nag-review tayo. Kung alam ko pang ilang araw ko na itong nag-review, basta importante na kapag-review tayo. Para at least, may natutunan tayo every day, every single day. Panoorin na lang ako mag-review dito. Bye! guys. It's already 8:05 p.m. It's June 3. Ngayon yung orientation for CSE or Civil Service Examination Group Study. This is for free by Sir Adam. Sumali ako dito kasi magte-take ako ng exam this August 2025. That's why sumali ako dito para at least meron tayong idea or magkaroon tayo kahit paano ng refresher. Kahit online lang siya. At least meron tayong weapon na magagamit on the day of the exam. So right now, I'm just gonna eat kasi we still have 3 minutes left na nihintay para sa mga ibang members na papasok pa. And minamanifest ko na ngayon na magiging passer ako.
Okay, greetings to everyone. Welcome to our orientation program for our CSE group study. I will turn this group study and not a review alone because I want this relationship na maging collaborative, meaning I need your participation. Level, we have 150 questions. For sub-professional level, we have 145 questions. The study or the group study will utilize the RRR model or the 3 R's model. Thursday hanggang Saturday, we will have our pretest asynchronously. Napapasok yung ating first lecture, which is review on numerical ability. Bibigay po natin siya a week ahead, no, or a day ahead po sa atin pong FB group. www.kahoot.it. This will be a rigid and at the same time comprehensive, intensive group study. Again, we call this group study because it's a collaborative effort. You give and then I give as well. Salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat.
Hey guys, kakatapos lang pala ng orientation namin. I'm excited na din na mag-start yung exam nga sa August na. So we only have 2 months left to review. Kailangan natin paspasan, pupukan na to guys para mapasan na natin. Hopefully no, 1 take passer lang tayo. Tapos yung next class na namin is on Thursday. Yun yung magkakaroon kami ng pre-test pero synchronous yun. So from June 4 to June 6 yung pre-test namin. And then June 7 yun yung first formal class namin. I'll just update you guys sa mga mangyayari sa mga susunod na araw. Ayun lang. Bye guys! Bakit? Bakit? Review ulit tayo! Guys, natatay ako. Good afternoon. Today is June 6. It's already 12:56 p.m. So, I will be answering the pre-test na nilabas ni Sir Adam. Actually, kahapon, late na niya din na-post around 11 p.m. Kaya ngayon ako magsasagot. May guidelines dito before taking the test. So, first, yung time limit. We are only given 190 minutes, so 3 hours and 10 minutes to complete the pre-test. Then, meron kaming single attempt. Actually, yung submission nito is kahapon until June 8, 12 midnight. Magte-take na tayo ng pre-test. Pakita ko lang kung ano yung itsura niya. Pero yung exam itself, hindi ko papakita. Katapos ko lang mag-take ng exam. Chinek natin yung ating score. So, I got 82 over 150. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati. Kailangan pa tayo mag-aral. Pero for a pre-test, I think it's not bad. Check ko yung mga questions kung saan ako nagkamali. Pero I think, ang mali ko na agad is math. Kasi doon ako mahina. Magpapahinga rin muna ako for a bit. Kasi, grabe guys, parang napiga yung utak ko. Yun yung reward ko for myself.
Hey guys, and good morning. So today is June 8. It's 12:01 p.m. Ngayon yung refresh session for numerical ability. I'll join you guys with me.
Tapos na yung class. May second session kami which is sa Wednesday, 8 p.m. So, lalagay ko na sa calendar para hindi ko na makalimutan. So far, may mga luto na naman tayo. Naligo na kasi magsisimba kami at 4 p.m. Hey guys, and good evening. morning. Tonight is June 11. It's 7:48 p.m. already. And I have a class tonight. This is the second session for numerical ability. I'm just waiting lang kay Sir Adam kung saan siya magla-live kasi based sa last class namin, either magla-live siya sa YouTube or TikTok. Maghihintay lang ako. Wala pa namang 8 p.m. Sa Facebook nag-live si Sir Adam. Dito kami ka-class for tonight. Try ko kayo isama.
You are on the right track. Thank you po, Batch Fidelis, for being with me tonight as we review our ability in terms of mathematics. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hey guys, and good afternoon. Today is June 12. It's Independence Day here in the Philippines. So actually, it's a holiday. It's already 2:40 p.m. We're just here at Cafe O to do some things that we need to do. So I'll try to show you how it looks like yung cafe. Kasi din yung kasama ko.
Sa lahat po na sumasagot sa ating live, that's Bill of Rights. And Article 3 po ang sagot. Thank you po sa lahat po na nakasama natin ngayon. Have a nice day po sa lahat. The choices na meron ka. For number 20.
Hey guys, and good evening. Tonight is June 22. It's already 6:50 p.m. I'm just waiting for Sir Adam na mag-live. May rationalization kami. Ang fourth session na to, it will start at 7 p.m. Pero most probably mga 7:10 or 7:20. May allowance pa na para din sa mga late na papasok sa class. Guys, patapos na yung rationalization session 4. Bukas mag-review ulit tayo. Hey guys, I'm currently reviewing. Binabalikan ko yung rationalization sessions. Hindi man ito yung exact exam, pero magkakaroon ako ng ideas on how to answer. Hey guys, pakatapos ko lang magsagot ng rationalization session 5. Short assessment lang naman to, so 30 items lang. Frustrate ako sa sarili ko kasi sa math, yun talaga yung weakness ko. So ngayon, nagsisearch ako through ChatGPT ng mga word problems para at least ma-practice ako. Naiirita ako guys. Ayun, may nasasagot naman ako, pero hindi lahat nasakuha ko dahil it means na kailangan ko pang mag-review pa talaga. Sino dito yung nahirapan sa math? Ako naman. Why is math so hard? Tayo natin to guys. Later rin pala at 8 p.m. meron kaming rationalization session 5. Mamaya sa YouTube naka-live si Sir Adam. Dito na siya. May sinasabi lang siya sa amin, like some reminders na magiging helpful naman para sa amin na magta-take ng civil service exam. Tapos na yung session, yung refresh session. Mamay babalik kami for rationalization. 5th session. Hey guys! Ngayong oras na at 8 p.m. yung aming rationalization session 5. Nanonood ako via YouTube. Yung rationalization pala guys, nagbibigay kasi si Sir Adam ng 30 items. So dito niya na-explain or ina-elaborate yung tamang answers and bakit yun yung mga naging answers sa questions.
Is 6 years. For Senator, it's 6 years. Thank you po for everyone who joined me tonight. Naka-2 oras din po tayo no, sa pagsagot po sa mga items.
Hey guys, meron kaming rationalization session 6 for tonight.
Now, how about if we ask this question? The members of the House of Representatives shall be elected for a term of blank. So we are referring to the House of Representatives. Pag sinabi po natin House of Representatives, we are referring to the congressmen. Congressmen are composed of district and party list representatives. The president, isang term lang po siya, tapos 6 na taon po yung isang termino na yun. Pagkatapos po na, hindi na po siya pwede ulit tumakbo. Sa vice president po, 2 term, tapos 6 years naman po per term. So kung gusto niya tumakbo ng 2 beses na vice president, okay lang. Biglang segue. Mag-follow na po kayo. So,
I have a session this afternoon. Guys, tapos na tayo sa rationalization. Bukas na ulit, 7 p.m. Hey guys, tonight's the rationalization session 8. Naka-number 15 na kami. Tapos na kami sa second set. So, pang 31 na yung sasagutan namin. Kasi hanggang 60 to, 60 items. Last question, guys. Tapos, guys, 60 items to guys, 5.
okay, ito naman po, comprehension TV.
Ready tayo, guys. Kasi malapit na
Steve Hector on how to plan his food.
Tapos na yung session. Nakadalawang session ako for today. Morning na actually. It's already 12:17 a.m. Naantok na kasi you can see from my eyes. Tutulog na ako para mamaya na lang ulit tayo mag-review. See you later. Bye! Hey guys! So, I'm currently reviewing for the abstract reasoning part. Some say babalik yung abstract reasoning. Nagtatake lang ako na test. Tapos, nagta-timer din ako para din makita ko kung gaano ako kabilis magsagot. Yung civil service exam is may oras siya. Try ako na may timer. Ako lang ba yung nagre-review tapos wala ng gana. I don't know. Meron pa akong 2 tasks na sasagutan pero tinatamad ako. Malapit na yung exam, guys. Itong video naman na to is ilalabas ko pa siya by October kasi this August 10, 2025 yung exam pero 2 months after lalabas yung result. Hey guys! Meron akong class with Ms. Laika at 7 p.m. Yung topic namin tonight is identifying errors in sentences. Another class with Team Laika. So, very grateful kasi libre lang to. Every night to. Hey guys! So, another online class with Teacher Laika. Nag-start to at 7 p.m. Yung topic namin today is sentence correction, punctuation. I'll try to join you guys kasi I'm not sure if masama kayo the whole class or session. You know, I need to focus kasi malapit na yung civil service. It's gonna be on the 10th of August. So, yeah, wish me luck guys. And to all the takers, we hope that we will pass the civil service examination. Kakatapos lang ng review. Pahinga muna tayo. Kaya rin natin to guys. Hey guys, and good morning. Today is August 10th. Already 4:50 a.m. I just woke up. I need to prepare. Dapat mga 6. Nakaalis na ako ng bahay. Bye guys. I'll see you later. Ayos na ako. Naghihintay na lang ako sa angkas driver. Kasi mag-aangkas lang ako going there. Nakita ko naman walang traffic. To all the speakers, manifest na natin to na makapasa tayo guys. Actually, yung duration ng review was almost 2 months. I-shoutout ko na din dito si Sir Adam. I am super duper grateful. He's really helpful actually guys. Nag-self-review din ako nun guys kahit na wala kaming araw na review. Actually, it's my first time mag-take ng civil service. Sobrang wide ng scope ng civil service. Ganito pala yung exam. Mahirap siya. I'll tell you here guys yung mga reasons kung bakit hindi ako nakapasa and baka makahelp din sa inyo sa pag-take ng exam. Number 1, kulang ako sa review. Even though nanonood ako ng mga videos sa TikTok, YouTube, pinapanood ko rin si Teacher Like kay sobrang helpful din niya. Second reason din siguro was because medyo chill din kasi ako na parang naisip ko na baka medyo madali, na baka makapasa ako. Third reason is because weakness ko talaga yung math. Doon talaga ako nag-focus kasi alam ko na mahina ako doon. Fourth reason din is yung oras na. Bale yung tinake ko kasi guys na exam is for professional. Guys, reminder na lang for tips. Kailangan mo talagang mag-allot ng 1 to 2 hours of your time. Also guys, gumawa kayo ng list kasi ginawa ko rin yun eh. For example, for week 1, ito yung re-reviewin. For this week, English lang ako para at least hindi ako malilito kung ano yung topics or kung ano yung subject na nire-review ko. The number 3 guys is sumali kayo sa mga maraming groups gaya ng ginawa ko. Tapos much better din na bumili kayo ng book. Yung pinaka-suggested or nire-reco na book is from Brainbox. You can also buy books kay Teacher Laika. Another tip guys is manood kayo ng mga videos. Marami kayong makakuhang tips and techniques. Of course, prayer guys and always do your best. Then wag din kayo ma-pressure. Make sure nyo din uunahin nyo is yung strength nyo para hindi kayo makukulangan ng oras na magsagot. Make sure na makarating kayo doon ng maaga kasi start talaga at 8 a.m. I-check nyo yung location ng testing center nyo sa Google Maps para accurate siya. Ako kasi ganun ginawa ko para at least may idea ako kung saan mag-exam. Yung testing center lang naman guys is mga school. I'm not sure if I'll take civil service exam by next year. Pero pag magte-take ako ng exam, I'll make sure guys na I'm ready or prepared fully, mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. I hope that you learned something from this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys!